So there is an actual page into Google Chrome that you would like to translate into a different language. The process actually is really easy. The first method, which is the automatic prompt, you want to open the foreign language site, show the translate icon that usually appears a small g with two characters appearing into the address bar. So Chrome is smart enough to know because you can look at the right side of your address bar and you will see a little translate icon that you can be finding directly inside here. If you don't see this translate icon, that means that sometimes this Google understands that this is the actual language that you speak. But let's say for example that let's go for killer whale Italian, and I select just a random site. Now Google will be knowing that we are into a different language, so we don't understand absolutely anything about this website. That means that now it's going to be appearing here this actual logo of Google Translate. So what I need to do is that, for example, this one, understand that this one is in Persian. So I'm going to change this from Persian directly here into English. It will be taking a while, but you can see that now my actual Google page will be making the actual translation by itself. Now, of course, it will be happening with images or texts that are inside in images, but still, it actually works with almost any kind of text that is inside my actual file. The second method, for example, is that we need to right click anywhere into the website and click into translate into English. For example, here, I'm going to select all of this and you can go for look up or translate selection to English. A pro tip that I can give you is that into the translate menu you can click the three dots and select always translate directly into the language. That usually appears directly inside here. Make sure that you can choose the element that says always translate Persian. So each time I navigate to Persian, the Google will be making the actual change by itself each time I open any website inside among Google. So you're actually good to go. The whole world is now readable. If this tip saves you some time, don't forget to like the button, subscribe to this channel for more quick internet hacks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So see you next time.